In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can use concatenate function and a comma in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some first name and last name. We need to concatenate those first name and last name, and we will get an output with full name. Differentiate with a comma. So let's start. Here you just need to enter equal, then write concatenate, then tab, and you need to select your first text. Our first text is first name, then put a comma, and now we want to put a comma between first name and last name. So we just need to enter quotation and put a comma, then again quotation, and for the last name just you need to put a comma, and now you just need to enter your last name. Just close the bracket, then enter. Now you can see that first name and last name has been appeared and differentiate with a comma. If you drag it to last, you can see all the thing happened. This is how you can easily concatenate two text in Microsoft Excel and separate it with a comma. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.